Hello everyone! Today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G22 smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate the top 5 display settings to change on this device. So let's go ahead and start. First we gotta open up the settings, and here look for the display category. And once we hear, the first cool setting that you can change is color palette. So it allows you to choose what colors the interface will be represented at. For example, you could choose from the list of standard colors, as you can see. And here, obviously on the top of the colors page, you'll have the picture for preview in order to understand how any chosen color will look like at the interface itself. So here, once you've chosen the color, all you gotta do in order to apply it is to tap on this button, and that will ultimately mean that, as you can see, the color palette of our interface has been successfully changed. So we are moving on to the second best display settings to change, and it's called the night light. Let me enable it for you. As you will see, once activated, it makes everything warmer, less tiring for your eyes, and prevent your eyes from having too much fatigue, should I say. Once opening the dedicated setting page, we are able to regulate the intensity of this effect, or set up any custom schedule for it to be automatically turned on or respectively turned off. The next cool setting that you can alter is the screen refresh rate. So once you are at the display settings, you'll be able to expand the advanced category of it. At the advanced list of settings, look for the screen refresh rate, and here we have 3 values to choose from. Either the standard refresh rate of 60 Hz, which gets us the better battery life, or the high refresh rate of 90 Hz, which gets us better smoothness and motion and visual experience in general. And also there is the third value that is called auto, and once enabled it will automatically switch between these 2 modes in accordance with the current state of the battery. So once you have sufficient battery charge, it will get you the higher screen refresh rate, and once your battery is running low, that will mean that we will switch the screen refresh rate back to the 60 Hz. We are moving on to the next setting, very useful one, that is called swipe buttons. So here look for the swipe buttons, as you can see, and it allows you to change the order of in which the digital buttons on the bottom, which are used for navigating through your device, are placed. And the final setting that we would like to show in this video is called the lock screen, and allows you to customize and personalize how the lock screen will look like. Here at the privacy section, we are able to choose what kind of notification content will be shown at the lock screen. So for example, we can either make so that all notifications will be shown, or no notifications will be shown at all. There is also an opportunity to add any custom text. So for example, I'll tap in hard reset, save, and once we'll get to the lock screen, we'll see that this custom text appears right here. Next, we have the switch that allows us, once activated, to simply wake the screen for notifications when the screen is dark, when our smartphone is locked, basically. So that ultimately means that once our smartphone is locked, if any notification comes through, the phone will be automatically woken up. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!